Welcome to MFCP Woodworking. My name is John. I am in my shop and I've kind of got this set up in a way that I believe I can make a video of what I'm making. My wife and I are celebrating our 29th wedding anniversary on Monday, and she wants to put some fake or dried flowers in a little vase, whatever you want to call it, a little dry one. And not a bud vase, something bigger than that. I've done bud vases before. I need something a little bit bigger. My intention is to make it myself today, and you're going to get to watch it. What I have in the machine here is a piece of spotted alder. It's inexpensive wood. I managed to find a place. This one's got a little bit of a crack on the one end. I don't think it's going to be an issue. If it is, no worries. I've got a second piece in case I need it. Right now we're in the middle of ice pellets and freezing rain. It is very unpleasant outside, which is why I don't have to feel guilty about not getting some firewood. Okay, so I'm going to get this started and we're going to start making this piece of wood round. As you can see, this wood is very, very dry. This species of wood is usually considered junk. I actually find it turns decently enough, but it does turn better when it's a little bit greener instead of this dry. This is an exceptionally dry piece. That actually turned out pretty good. Come off pretty good. We'll get this in a little bit closer. I don't normally recommend working with gloves on, but the weather is unpleasant in here. It's part of the reason why you're not getting a lot of videos out of me lately. Kind of like this wood. The coloration varies a little bit. My little crack issue is down here. I think I can eliminate that by making the piece shorter. I don't need the full length here. So I'm going to make a vase out of it. We'll see what else we got. careful with that little feature there because it's easy to chip this particular kind of wood. Okay, that looks pretty good. That's kind of close to what I want. I'm not going to finish it up right like this. Oh, I'm good. I don't have any really good bad chips in it. I'm going to have to remount this with my chuck onto here so that I can finish up the end and hollow it out with my my drill, and we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, so I'll be back. I'll turn this off and we'll get her started again in a moment. Okay, we're back in business. I'm a little frustrated, but I got it mounted into the chuck, and we're going to turn it on here. I have to chew it up a little bit. But not quite as perfect as I'd like it to be. Probably blocking the view of the camera with my head, but I'll try not to do that too much. Time to sand her up. I did have sandpaper here somewhere. I would go so far as to say that this is very difficult to do with a glove on. So I'm going to get a cold hand here for a little while. This particular kind of wood, sanding removes material very, very quickly. Type of sandpaper. Okay, yeah, it's. Oh, we got a bit of a big chip there. Okay, but I'm mostly pleased with this. All right, we'll cut off the base and finish it up, and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, just a little bit of a chip out of there, but we're going to live with that. That's part of the wood. Anyway, I'll be back. We're back inside now. I had to center myself up here. I can see myself and thing. This is the finished vase. This is a small dry vase, and I kind of like it. I like the character of this wood. It's not a wonderful turning wood alder, spotted alder especially. Most people just burn this stuff. Okay, I'm the one weirdo who will actually turn this stuff. I like the way the wood grain pattern comes out. I've oiled this. Try to keep it centered up. Take a look at it. I do have a chip out of it, but it's not that serious. I like something with a little bit of character anyway, and I know my wife is going to love it. So we'll see. If we get a thumbnail with this in it, it'll have the dry flowers or whatever she got. Hopefully everything we got ends up matching and it looks quite good. So we'll make that in the thumbnail. This is a little dry vase just made with a chunk of wood that you could get off your fire pile. Spotted alder in this case. I've got other choices I could have used. I wanted to do it in cherry. This cherry is really nice, but the stuff I have inside is cracked a lot. Some drying issues, and I don't want to make a lot of sawdust to make something small like this. Apple wood is a consideration, but I didn't find a piece that I felt was suitable for it. Well, this has turned out pretty good. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Please subscribe. The more the merrier. I will try to bring you as much of this type of work as I can. I do have issues with my shop, but we'll overcome them. And I'll be doing more and more. Anyway, thanks for watching.